This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone, welcome to Snapchat case study. Now let's talk about Snapchat. Snapchat is founded by Evan Spiegel, born in 1990, a very young chap. And Snapchat was actually developed by college students, including Evan Spiegel. And in 2013, even Mark Zuckerberg offered $3 billion to Snapchat, which got rejected, obviously. And Snapchat was launched in 2012 on an Android app. Now, Snapchat introduces My Story. Now, we all use that My Story in Facebook and Instagram and the other app, but Snapchat actually introduces the same feature way back in 2013. Snapchat actually has up and downs, but very interestingly, in the next video, I'm going to actually talk in depth about how Snapchat was started and what were the challenges and what were the good things about Snapchat, that it produced $3 billion in just the matter of 3 years. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one. It will be back soon. Bye for now.